name is Mary Lou Patak, and I've been coming to the office for, about 10 months now, somewhere in that area. I came here from another dentist that I was very disappointed in, and my neighbor referred me here. So once I met Dr. Lopez and stuff, I decided this was the place to stay. It has been tremendously good for me. I mean, they took care of all the problems I was having, and they, I had an implant done and a crown redone and all that, and it was painless. That's one good thing, and everyone was very concerned with me, how I was feeling here. Everyone's here with a smile. Everyone calls you by your name. As soon as you walk in the front door, it's, "Hi, Mary Lou, good morning," or whatnot. So you just feel like you're at home. Unfortunately, my family's up north in Connecticut, but anyone I know, I would certainly recommend them here.